This 5-minute solution will show you how to borrow games on Steam. Open your Steam app or web version. The process will be similar for app and web version. Once you are in your Steam, click on Steam, click on Settings, and here select Family, and make sure to enable Authorized Library Sharing on this device option. Once it's enabled, now you have to click on Manage for Family Library Sharing. Family library sharing allows selected accounts to use your game library on authorized computers while you are not playing. You can authorize up to 10 computers at the same time. So as you can see, this is my device, and now all you have to need just click on library and click on collections. Now you can create a new collection for borrow games, and here enter the collection name. Click on create collection. Now you can simply add games to these collections to borrow with your family. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.